Welcome. Do you know Photoshop well enough? Take up the challenge for Photoshop Fun Quiz. Just answer true or false. Are you ready? Let's get started. 1. Photoshop is primarily used for video editing and animation. Two. The magic wand tool in Photoshop is used for drawing freehand shapes. Three. Photoshop allows you to work with layers, making it easier to edit and manage elements in your design. Four. The crop tool in Photoshop is only used to resize images, not to remove unwanted parts of a picture. Five. The pen tool in Photoshop is used for creating complex selections and patterns. 6. Photoshop does not support non-destructive editing, meaning changes made cannot be undone later. Seven. DPI stands for dots per inch and determines the resolution of an image in print. 8. Photoshop does not have any feature to apply filters or effects to images. 9. RGB and CMYK are the two common color modes used in Photoshop. 10. The healing brush tool is used for adding new elements to an image. 11. In Photoshop, the blur filter is used only for reducing image size without losing quality. 12. Smart objects in Photoshop are not editable once they are placed in a document. 13. Ctrl-Z, Windows, or CMD-Z, Mac, can be used to undo the last action in Photoshop. 14. The clone stamp tool in Photoshop is used to copy and paste text from one area to another. 15. Photoshop cannot open or edit files saved in formats other than JPEG and PNG. 16.
Thank you for playing the quiz. Please like and subscribe. See you next video soon.